Looking for a smartwatch on a budget? I have found just the right one for you. The Galaxy Smartwatch 4. As I unbox my very own Galaxy Smartwatch, let me walk you through some of the reasons I would prefer a Samsung watch from my personal usage experience. This one is the non-LTE Bluetooth only version. If you have a budget of around 5,000, just try to extend it a little bit and get a real smartwatch. Most budget smartwatches are just glorified fitness bands sold at a higher price. A proper smartwatch is one that you can use standalone. This watch is on sale on the Samsung website at just $999, and I'm sure once it's available on Amazon, you will get it with additional benefits. It was released a couple of years ago at a price of $25,000 plus. This watch importantly runs on Android, so you have a whole suite of apps you can install from Play Store as per your requirements. To add to that, you have Samsung's reliability and build quality. I enjoy the fitness aspects of this watch. I use it on my runs. I do not need to carry my phone. It maps my run through the built-in GPS along with the detailed stats which I can refer to improve. Along the way, I also enjoy music on Spotify. Needless to say, it also tracks your heart rate and oxygen saturation. I find it very handy in receiving urgent calls, albeit the tiny speaker has limited capabilities. The step tracker is a great tool to help you get more active. It single-handedly has transformed my fitness levels. The body composition tracker is also a handy feature if it might interest you. There are also a couple of downsides of this watch which come to mind. I am not a big fan of the bezel-less design, as during rough usage, it might damage the watch. Also, considering that this watch is a couple of years old, there might be updates for a limited time period. If this video helped you in your buying decisions, please do not forget to subscribe, and a like would be awesome.